Hotspots are the high-touch surfaces where germs concentrate and where cleaning delivers the most impact. Hotspots include doorknobs, light switches, elevator buttons, handrails, faucet handles, and shared equipment. And treating them correctly means understanding contact frequency, surface material, and appropriate disinfectant contact time. Start by mapping the space during a walkthrough, noting who touches what and how often. Then prioritize surfaces used by many people and those touched between different user groups. Use a disinfectant listed for efficacy against the organisms of concern and follow the label for dilution and dwell time, and always pre-clean visible soil so the disinfectant can work properly. For porous or textured surfaces, choose methods like steam or mechanically assisted cleaning when compatible, and for electronics, use manufacturer-approved wipes or clean with a microfiber cloth, dampened with disinfectant, applied to the cloth, not the device. Standardize the process with a checklist arranged by frequency, such as hourly, daily, and weekly, so staff know what to hit each shift. And train staff with hands-on demonstrations and competency checks, rather than only written instructions. Track and log completed tasks, so you can show clients what was done and when, and use client communication to highlight hotspot attention as a value differentiator. Common mistakes include wiping without using a disinfectant long enough to meet dwell time, which leaves microbes viable, so always time or note the required wet contact period and reapply if the surface dries too fast. Another issue is ignoring touch frequency and treating all surfaces the same, which wastes time and supplies. Solve this by using your walkthrough map to concentrate efforts where traffic and contact are highest. Third is cross-contamination from dirty cloths or mop heads. And the fix is to use a color-coded system and change or launder textiles frequently while using single-use wipes for critical touch points when feasible. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to spotlight services that emphasize high-touch area cleaning and other priorities. On our site, we help contractors find work, and we host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals exchange tips and ask questions.